Hi friends, it's your old pal Conductor Jack. Today we're going to be reading a new story from Hello Kitty, a collection of early readers. This is 7 books in one, a lot of stories of fun and friends. So let's open the book together, and this is called Contents, and that's where all of the stories are. So we're going to read all the stories together today. Hello Kitty visits Grandma. Grandma and Hello Kitty. Big hugs. Time to paint. Flowers. Time for lunch. Look at the clouds. Grandma and Hello Kitty stitch. Time to cook. Yum yum. Cake. Dress up. Pretty Hello Kitty. Look at Grandma in a balloon. Look at Grandma in a plane. The cake is done. Time to eat. Yum yum. Tea party. Teddy joins the fun. Hello Kitty eats popcorn. Time to go home. Goodbye, Grandma. Goodbye, Grandpa. Wasn't that a fun little story? Hello Kitty. I love that. Hey, can I tell you a secret? My wife's name is Kitty. So we love Hello Kitty in our house. Well, every single day I'm going to go on a reading adventure with you guys on this channel. So if you want to hit the subscribe button, my name is Conductor Jack, and I will read you a brand new story tomorrow. I'll see you again real soon. Bye. Subscribe now. It's free.